Unlock your potential with Udacity free courses. Mentority's Guide to Skill Development. Welcome to Mentority, where we guide you on your journey to success. Today, we're diving into an amazing resource that can help you build valuable skills for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. Stay tuned as we explore Udacity's free courses and how they can unlock your potential. What is Udacity? Udacity is an online learning platform offering a wide range of courses in tech, business, and beyond. From programming to data science and artificial intelligence to digital marketing, Udacity has something for everyone. And the best part? Many of these courses are available at no cost. Why choose Udacity's free courses? So, why should you consider Udacity's free courses? Here are 3 compelling reasons. High-quality content. Udacity collaborates with industry leaders like Google, Amazon, and IBM to provide top-notch learning materials. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Perfect for balancing with your busy life. Practical skills. Courses are designed to provide hands-on experience with real-world projects, helping you build a strong portfolio. Exploring popular free courses. Let's take a look at some of Udacity's popular free courses. How to build a startup. This course is best for anyone who is looking forward to starting a new startup but doesn't know where to begin. It contains 12 lessons for individuals who want to become an entrepreneur by starting their own startup. Learn what it takes to build a successful startup using the customer development process, where entrepreneurs get out of the building to gather and iterate on feedback. Introduction to Python programming. If you are a programming enthusiast and want to begin your career in programming, then you must learn Python. Most of today's AI-based applications and other web-based applications like WordPress are built on Python. This 14-hour free course on Python can bolster your programming skills in Python, helping you pave your way to becoming a programmer. Intro to Machine Learning. Machine learning, ML, is one of the most transformative and rapidly evolving fields in technology today. If you learn machine learning, you can land a job in large e-commerce, automotive, or programming companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Microsoft. Most of the large MNCs now use machine learning and automation to make production and manufacturing faster and easier. There are many opportunities if you learn this free machine learning course. Intro to Statistics. If you want to make a career in economics, finance, or research field, then you must learn statistics from scratch. This extensive 43 lessons free statistics course can allow you not only to hone your skills in statistics, but also to grab a 6-figure salary job in MNCs. It also contains a final exam so that you can calculate how much you've learned, and the best thing, it's free. Intro to Artificial Intelligence. You know how ChatGPT became one of the most famous applications on the internet overnight? Now it's your turn to learn AI and build more pronounced applications for your company, increasing your salary. This course will introduce you to the basics of AI. Topics include machine learning, probabilistic reasoning, robotics, computer vision, and natural language processing. Intro to TensorFlow for Deep Learning. Dive into deep learning with this practical course on TensorFlow and the Keras API. Gain an intuitive understanding of neural networks without the dense jargon. Learn to build, train, and optimize your own networks using TensorFlow. The course also introduces transfer learning, leveraging pre-trained models for enhanced performance. Designed for swift proficiency, this course prioritizes hands-on learning and real-world applications. Intro to Algorithms. If you want to shape your career in the field of programming or AI, then you must learn how to make algorithms. Algorithms are the building blocks of any large application. This class will give you an introduction to the design and analysis of algorithms, enabling you to analyze networks and discover how individuals are connected. If you want more Udacity free courses, then go to udacity.com, sign up, and check the box of free courses options. You'll find the best Udacity free courses available on this website, which you can enroll in and enlighten your career in any field. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Udacity's free courses. Don't forget to subscribe to Mentority for more tips and guides on personal and professional development. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and share it with friends who are looking to learn new skills. Until next time, keep learning and growing with Mentority.